Good morning, everyone. I'm here with the news. The Australian dollar remains solid this morning despite a stable US dollar overnight. Traders are looking ahead to the release of the latest US PCE data, with the core series expected to show another slowing in price pressures, which should see the Fed's tightening cycle come to an end in July. The Australian dollar was the best-performing G10 currency overnight, rising to almost 76 cents as the market took the view that the RBA may have to hike further than the Fed. The US dollar index, however, was little changed at around 103.9. The index is down about 2% so far this month and is not far from its lowest level in 14 months. A break below the 100 level would be a clear signal of a near-term reversal, given the inverse relationship between the two currencies. The Aussie's gain was also helped by the fact that the greenback came under pressure after a disappointing ESA manufacturing report on Tuesday. The headline and core PMIs both came in below expectations, suggesting that the economy lost momentum in May. Attention now turns to today's PCE report, which is the Fed's preferred measure of inflation. The data is closely watched for signs of persistent price pressures, which could complicate the Fed's policy decision at the upcoming June meeting. The consensus is for a 0.3% month-over-month increase in May, following a 0.4% rise in April. The core index is expected to show a 0.3% rise for a third straight month. A softer-than-expected print would increase the likelihood of a July rate hike being the last of the current tightening cycle. In other economic news today, the final May market PM is scheduled for release along with the construction and manufacturing PM is for Australia. The May Westpac consumer sentiment will also be closely watched for any signs of a turnaround in consumer confidence following the recent election. Now, let's take a quick look at where the Australian dollar is trading. It's currently buying 75.85 US cents. We've seen a lot of volatility over the past 24 hours, and the price has been as high as 76.24 cents and as low as 75.31 cents. Currently buying 64.33 euro cents, not far off its highest level in nearly 3 weeks. The price is up more than 1% against the euro so far this week alone. We've got plenty of economic news releases scheduled for this week, which could add to the volatility. So it's going to be important to keep a close eye on developments. Now is a good time to remind you that this channel is your best source for all the latest Australian economic news and market updates. So if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and stay notified of our latest releases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.